So I was just scrolling through top-rated phones on Amazon a couple days ago, and I stumbled across something I did not expect. This thing has gotten incredible ratings, hundreds of them, and I had never even heard of it. Which is weird, right? Because usually if something's blowing up like this, I'm on the review program list. I get sent one early. Not this time, so I just bought it myself, $10.99. That's it, $10.99. I need you to let that sink in before we go any further. A couple days later, it showed up. And honestly, right from the moment I picked up the box, things got interesting. So the phone ships in this open-faced cardboard box. The front of the device is just exposed, fully visible. I've unboxed hundreds of phones at this point. I have never seen this before. It's genuinely unique. Now, is it a premium unboxing experience? No. But is it memorable? Absolutely yes. But here's where the honeymoon ended a little. Getting the rest of the way into the box? Kind of a nightmare. It was unintuitive. I genuinely didn't know what I was supposed to do. I'm a tech reviewer. That's embarrassing to admit. Eventually, I had to just rip some cardboard, which, yeah, not ideal. And then behind the phone, there are these little fasteners holding it in place. You have to manually untwist each one. It didn't feel premium, I'll be real with you. But also, this thing cost $11, so I'm going to give it some grace. But eventually, victory. The phone is free, and honestly, holding it for the first time, it's kind of adorable. I mean, look at this thing. It's a Bluey phone. It has a personality. You know exactly what this is going for. Okay, so let's talk about what's in the box, because the answer is not much. There is no charger included, no cable, no documentation worth mentioning, just the phone. Now, in 2026, we're kind of used to no charger in the box. Apple started it, everyone followed. But still, worth noting. Here's the thing though, this phone actually has a removable battery. In 2026, that's genuinely rare. Like, the flagship Android manufacturers walked away from removable batteries. This $11 phone brought it back. There is, however, a catch. You need a tool to open the back and swap the battery. A specific tool. No. And that tool is not included in the box. So the removable battery feature is technically there, but practically locked behind an accessory you don't have. It's like giving someone a car and not including the keys. The technology is there. Just bring a screwdriver, I guess. So far, the con list is growing a little. Confusing packaging, no charger, no battery tool. But I want to be fair, it's $11. But here's where VTEC actually surprised me, and this was a legitimately good surprise. The phone comes with enough battery charge out of the factory to just turn on, right out of the box, no charging required. And I want to tell you, the moment this thing booted up, I heard it. Want to play? That little voice, that audio. If you have a kid who watches Bluey, or honestly, if you watch Bluey, you felt that. That right there is product design doing its job. It created emotional reaction instantly. I was charmed. I'll admit it. So let's step back and look at the full picture of what VTEC has built here, because I think context matters a lot. This is not competing with Samsung, it's not competing with Apple, it's competing with nothing at this price in this category. And the Amazon reviewers clearly get that. The ratings are through the roof because people are buying it for exactly what it is. This is a gift item, a novelty, a fun thing for a Bluey fan. It's not trying to be a daily driver. But as a reviewer, my job is to look at the entire experience. And there are real friction points here that I think VTEC could fix. Clearer packaging, include the battery tool, it probably costs pennies, maybe toss in a short USB cable. These are solvable problems. Because the bones of this product are good, the branding is charming, the price is unbeatable, the novelty factor is real. I'm going to keep testing this thing over the next few days. Full review is coming. But first impressions, genuinely more interesting than I expected. For $11, VTEC delivered something that made me smile, that made me feel something. That's harder to do than it sounds. The packaging needs work, the accessory situation needs work, but the product itself has a soul. And I think that is why the reviews are what they are. People connected with it. Simple as that. Now, I do want to come back with a full breakdown. Battery life, audio quality, build quality over time. The real stuff. If you want to catch that full review, subscribe and hit the bell. I'll have it out as soon as I've lived with this thing for a bit. And drop your questions in the comments. What do you want me to test? I read everything. The Bluey Phone by VTEC. $11. More personality than phones that cost 50 times as much. We'll see if it holds up. Want to play? I'll see you in the full review. Peace.